Mom! Mom! I got somebody here to just tell you something. Hey, yo!
Oh my god! Oh my god! I thought you still had more time! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh man! Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
Alright.
I thought you still had more time.
Hi.
Oh my god, how you doing? God bless you.
She wanna cry.
Hey, Mom's so had to cry.
Wow, look at you. You look handsome.
I was there.
Huh?
I was there.
You're so silly.
I'm still the same.
Oh my god, what did your dad say?
He started crying too.
Oh my god.
He started laughing. He was crying. So are you
Oh my,
laughing or
if
crying?
you would have walked into church tonight, I think we all would have fell on the floor.
Wait, at church tonight?
We have rehearsal. Beverly was there, Julie, John.